Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to hit another video out to you guys and show you all this green on Poloniex and the crypto market's finally bouncing back. And I hope none of you got weak in the knees and let go majority of your Bitcoin or your Ethereum or actually any of the other alt currencies because they're making a turn and coming back again. And I think I'll be picking up a little bit more Ethereum here in a bit. Let's see, Bitcoin's at 2185, Ethereum's at 184, $185 right now, and man, for those of you holding Ripple, I don't know what to tell you. It's 22 cents right now. That some people are saying it's going to tank in half, and some people are saying it's going to go, it's going to double. I don't know. I really not sure what's going on with Ripple right now, but I know the market as a whole has had some healthy fluctuation, man. You see a spike go up as high as it did. There's going to have to be some corrections, and that's a healthy cycle. So I hope you guys aren't, freaked out by the volatility in the crypto market and any other market. You see volatility in the crypto market. There can be some extreme highs and lows. So I hope you don't get, like I said, weak in the knees and end up letting go of a majority of your holdings. But as far as Ripple goes, I told you I already let go a majority of what I was holding, and so the few thousand Ripple that I'm holding on to, I think it's about 5,000 Ripple, was all free for me. I made a 30x gain on Ripple, so I'm not real worried about what it does from here on out because it's free. I'm just hanging on to a little extra. But in general, guys, try and be smart about what you're doing, and if you're trying to learn how to do, make smarter moves, hit me your email and. You can hit me up on Facebook or I've set this up on the YouTube on howtobuycrypto.com. If you type that into the search box on YouTube, I should be the first thing that comes up. And I'm going to be posting videos Monday through Friday. If I can on the weekends, I'm gonna do it as well. But basically, I'm going to be talking about some of my strategies. And here in a couple of weeks, we're going to be doing another workshop and showing you exactly step by step what I do and how I hit 20K and 101 days, man, from an initial investment about $1,600, and it's pretty exciting. And if you play your cards right, you can end up doing pretty well. And I'd like to show you, how to read some market trends, how to diversify your portfolio, and diversifying is the biggest deal in just any kind of investment. And I hope you guys know that I don't just trade and hold cryptocurrencies. I as well have investments in real estate and gold and silver, and have cash on hand as well. So I don't recommend that you put all your eggs in one basket. I do highly recommend that you diversify, and some of those strategies that we talk about, you'll see. If you want to join the My Quick Tip Investing group on Facebook, you can check that out. You can look up for my name for the public profile page, and I'm posting these videos there as well. Facebook just doesn't always work out on the video side of things. I don't know if you guys have the same issues that I do when you're scrolling through and you're trying to watch a video. Sometimes it just gives you a hard time. YouTube is streamlined; it's made just for video. So I'm migrating, my efforts over there to YouTube. But howtobuycrypto.com, you can type that in and find it there. You can go, to the website directly itself, but there's still not a lot there. I'm still, building it up. So there'll be more to come. But you can also email me at myquicktip@gmail.com. And there's a number of ways to get a hold of me. I do have a few people kind of on backlog trying to help out. So you will have to wait a little bit to get some FaceTime or get a consultation together. But I'm happy to work with you guys. Happy to give you as much information as I can. In the group and share my information and my moves and the things that I'm doing. But hopefully you guys are seeing the swing as a positive thing and not worried about, and hopefully this helps put it in perspective. I had almost a $10,000 swing in the red from this dip, and I didn't make any trades whatsoever in that dip. And I told you guys, have strong hands. I got strong hands from years of pulling in anchor lines for these large crude oil tankers and container ships. So the same with my cryptocurrencies. I hang on to them and I trade when the market suits me, not when the market wants to do whatever it wants to do. And so I'm back up pretty close. I'm about 3K away from where I was before. So, I'm not worried about it. Majority of my holding is in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and they're awesome. And they're going to keep going up. I have no concerns in those lights. And if you don't have any Bitcoin or Ethereum, I highly recommend you get some. They're both undervalued right now, and they will continue to rise. And for those of you that think we were in a bubble, we did have some of the conditions that line up for a bubble, and I did see a correction coming, and I did try and mention it to a few people. And one of the reasons that I mentioned getting out and pulling gains out of Ripple was because I felt like that one was coming pretty massively, because a lot of people bought in at 3 cents and they had 35, 40 cent gains that they saw and could have pulled out some gains there and didn't. And now they're like, oh man, and panicking and selling at 20 cents. And, it's a big hit compared to what you could have had. And, when you're talking about thousands of coins. So anyway, you want to be smart with when you buy and when you sell, and make the market work for you. But guys, I'm gonna try and keep posting and keep answering your questions and your comments, and hit the like button every time you do. If you like what you see, it really helps to boost me in the Edge rankings and in YouTube. It definitely helps to have some feedback there. And hey, if you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. I'm cool with that too. And tell me what you hate about what I'm doing. And guys, I'm only trying to share what works for me, what's doing well. And me as an individual, if you didn't know, I'm an associate pastor. So if I'm doing things that seem schemy or shady, or not on the up and up, it degrades me as an individual, as a person, and on a personal level. So I'm not going to try and do things that are going to minimize my character. And I hope you guys don't feel like I would ever do something like that. But for those of you that don't know me, I have multiple channels. I do the ministry podcast. I do the APFX channel. I do a number of different things, and I do our church's page. I do the video and the website and things. So I have a lot of facets to what I do. So if you are wondering where I came from or what I do, you can just type in my name, marcoechertea.com. You can find me there. You can find a number of my websites there. Like I said, theministrypodcast.com, apfx1.com. There's a lot of different ways to find out who I am, what I do, what I'm about, and whether or not you want to say that I'm legitimate or not. Like I said, if I lie, if I do something that is unbecoming, that's going to affect me in the real life and affect me, in the other areas of my life. So I appreciate all kinds of feedback, though. If you think you hate what I'm doing, let me know, and maybe I can tweak a little bit what I'm doing to do it a little better, or in a way that maybe doesn't offend somebody. And on Facebook, I took some advice from you guys, and a couple people told me, hey, not everybody on your Facebook page might want to hear about crypto. So I made that a public profile page so I could post videos every day and only, hit the people that want to hear about it. And as well, I'm still going to be posting about once a week on my regular page, for my friends and family that won't, go over to the page and actually listen, but we'll see, we'll watch it once it scrolls through on a live feed or something, so that they can hear about it that way. But guys, I'm really excited about the future of cryptocurrency, and I think we're still a ways from a real significant bubble. And when we get there, I'm going to be saying it. I'm going to be telling you, hey, that we got some room for some correction here. So, be careful about your trades and what you're going to be doing. But overall, guys, I'm excited for the future of cryptocurrencies. I hope that you are too. I hope that you aren't getting shaken out by these big slams, these market corrections. But it's all healthy part of the process, healthy market. And when they slam and then correct, that makes that, that upward trend, that bull trend, even stronger. So, guys, hang on to your cryptos. Don't get scared. Don't let them go too early. And hopefully I'll talk to you guys again tomorrow. God bless you.